If you're a food truck business owner and you have an off season, then this is a series of videos for you. What we're talking about is how you can find, engage with, and book yourself up with local businesses, local events, so that when your normal foot traffic falls off, whenever it is during the year, whether it's the summer or the winter, you can make sure that you are booked with events, with people coming to your truck, so that you don't have that drop in income. In our previous video, we talked about places you can go in order to find potential events or businesses you could work with. If you missed that video, then you'll be able to find a link to it in the description if you want to go back and watch that video after this one. But what we're going to talk about in this video is, now that you've found a list of potential businesses, what exactly is it that you want to do? How do you select the people that you want to contact? Well, the first thing you want to do is have a really good look at their Instagram or Facebook or TikTok. So we're looking on social media. So once you've got this list that you've made, it might be on pen and paper or in a spreadsheet, go onto one of these businesses, business page, Facebook page, Instagram page, and have a look at what they've been doing recently. We want to make sure, first of all, that they're active on social media and the business is still actually in business and they are actually trying to grow and promote. Once you've done that, the best thing to do is to look back a year. So let's imagine that your off season is the winter, that your normal traffic slows down. Then have a look back to what they did last winter and see what events that particular business, or whether it's a local business, whether it's a school, whether it's a sports team, see what they were doing. Were they doing anything for the holiday season? Especially in winter, there's a lot of things going on wherever you are in the world. Was there anything going on? Were they holding any events that you could cater? Once you've done that, contact this business and offer your food truck to cater that event. So rather than just sending out a standard email that says, "Hi, I own a food truck, would you like my services?" Say, "Hey, I saw last year you did X or Y. This event looked great because of A or B. Have you thought about adding a food truck to your business? I run a business, we could offer service," whatever it is, explain what the service is, say that you've got these dates available. If anybody is around to talk, you'd love to have more of a conversation. The fact that you've contacted the business, the fact that you've shown that you've looked at what they've been doing recently, that you've put some valid information about what the event was, then you've thought about exactly how you can help that event or how you could cater for them and sold them a couple of the benefits, shows that you have done the hard work. This isn't just a DM or a message that you're sending out, or an email you're sending out to hundreds of businesses. You've thought about this, and straight away that's going to make this local business or event that you want to work with think about you in a more positive way. So suggest ways that you could collaborate. It might be that you just provide food, it might be that you just provide drink, maybe you have the opportunity to add some additional seating because you've got seating and tables that comes with your food truck. Whatever it is, be willing to be flexible. Maybe you normally sell burgers, but you'll be willing for this event to add some hot drinks like coffees and teas that you don't normally offer. Maybe the other way around. Maybe there's another business that you could collaborate with so that the two food trucks are catering the event together and you're sharing some business with another food truck. So be flexible on food, drink, be willing to travel a little bit further. Be flexible on timings. The thing about this is it's going to help increase your network, and this could be the kind of event that you could be catering year after year after year if you can provide value to this particular business or event that you want to cater for. Especially something like a sporting event that has things going on regularly. It could be a case that you are there regularly at all the home events, being able to provide your services, and that's something that could pay you and bring in income for a really long period of time. Now, there is a way that you can use Facebook and Instagram specifically to find out who are the people that are posting recently and are really engaged at the moment on these social media. And if you want to learn how to do that, this video on the screen now, all you've got to do is click it, watch it, and you'll be able to learn that trick or hack, whatever you want to call it, that will help you find more business on social media. We'll see you in the next one.